Example number 1.1. How can you charge a metal sphere positively without touching it? Let us take a metal sphere. Now, metal sphere is having equal number of positive and negative charges. Time being, metal sphere is neutral. Now, I am bringing a negatively charged ebonite rod very near to it. Then what happens? This ebonite rod pulls all the positive charges to one side near to it and negative charges to other side. But still the body A is neutral. In the second step, I will connect the metal sphere to ground. Now, all these negative charges will flow towards the ground. Now we can say body B, that is the metal sphere is positively charged. Now, in the last step, I will remove the ebonite rod. When I remove the ebonite rod, all these positive charges will start moving away from each other because they are repelling each other. In other words, all the charges will accumulate in the entire sphere. Now we can say the sphere is positively charged.